Good morning, student. Today we are going to study very important topic in the retirement chapter, that is called adjustment of capital. My dear student, adjustment of capital, there are different types of adjustment in this chapter. Today I am going to give a one adjustment. What is this adjustment? When the fixed capital of existing partner is given in the question. So in this question, what I have taken, first you have to understand the question. John, Thomas and Xavier were partners sharing profit 432. Okay, Thomas retired. So Thomas retire means this share is going to be cancelled on 1st April 2019. On that day, capital of John, Thomas and Xavier after all adjustment were given. Okay, it means at the time of the retirement, all adjustment means whatever the capital balance sheet is come, that is the adjusted capital. Total capital of the firm, here I mention John and Xavier. After the retirement of Thomas, only John and Xavier is existing partner. So they reconstructed a new firm between them. So John and Xavier become a new partner for new firm, the reconstructed firm. They decided that the fixed capital should be 28,000. My dear student, here it is also given the proportion of John and Xavier, that is called new ratio of John and Xavier is given, that is 5:3, 5/8 or 3/8. Now, how to solve this question? First, you can begin from here also. 28,000 is a fixed capital. So, fixed capital is equal to 28,000. John capital is equal to 28,000 multiply 5/8. Okay. So what is the value? 5/8 is equal to 17,500. Okay. Now what is the capital of Xavier? Xavier capital is equal to 28,000 multiply 3/8 is equal to 10,500. So you distributed the fixed capital into the new ratio of John and Xavier. So now what is the next task? The next task is very simple, my dear student. You need to calculate new capital. Okay, your simple task is that you put it here, name John, Xavier, new capital is already calculated with the help of the 28,000 and this the capital. So John's new capital is equal to 17,500, 10,500. What is the existing capital? You need to calculate the existing capital which is given in the question, that after all the adjustments. So existing capital is given here in this question, 19,650. Okay. So you write down John's existing capital is 19,650 and Xavier's existing capital is 9,150. Okay. So you write down 9,150. You calculate the difference. So what is the difference here, my dear student? The first difference is 2,150 rupees. That is the first difference. This difference comes under the minus. My dear student, you have to understand here why it is. See, the existing capital is more than new capital. So John will withdraw this capital. Okay. In this situation, Xavier capital, the existing capital is less than the new capital. So Xavier will bring the more money for the capital. So what is the difference? 1350 rupees. 1350 rupees. It means JBR is going to bring 1350 rupees for maintaining the new capital, because existing capital is less than new capital. In this situation, existing capital is more than new capital. So John is going to withdraw. Okay, I am writing withdraw. Okay, here brought. So my dear student, after all doing this adjustment working note, it comes under the working note, my dear student. Okay, in every question if it is mentioned fixed. So what is the journal entry for the John? You put it here, the John's journal entry first. So John's situation is that John is going to withdraw. Why? Because existing capital is more than new capital. John is going to withdraw. So you write down John's capital account debited to cash account. Okay, what is the amount? 2150, 2150. In this situation, JBR, what is the situation? JBR is going to bring more money. How much he is going to bring? 1350 rupees. Simple. So you write down cash account debited to JBR's capital account. Okay, write the value 1350, 1350. Okay, let's see once again. See my dear student, it is the adjustment of capital. In the retirement chapter, there are 3 partners. Okay, the profit sharing ratio is already mentioned. On the retirement, after all adjustment, okay, after all adjustment means calculation of capital account, their adjusted capitals were here. Now the total capital is given in this question, that is fixed. So who is going to fix? John and JBR is going to fix total capital, that should be 28,000 rupees. So John and JBR's new profit sharing ratio is also given in the question. So simple, my dear student, you have to distribute 28,000 rupees among John and JBR into new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so you need to calculate the difference value. What is the difference value? You need to calculate the difference between the existing capital and new capital. You see, in the case of the John, what will happen? New capital is less than the existing capital. Okay, so new capital is less than the existing capital, so John is going to withdraw the extra amount. In this situation, it is just reverse. New capital is more than the existing capital, so JBR is going to bring the 1350 rupees. It is the journal entry. So you have to keep remember all those things. It is the first situation, my dear student. I hope you understand very well. Thank you, my